Just say the name of the places, Indian system and international number system. And speak loudly, eh?
Ones, tens, hundred, thousand,
Loudly,
thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore.
That is Indian system. Now international number system.
Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10. No, exercise one, exercise one. Ma'am,
Whose other mic is unmute? Only you have to Tahira, mute the mic. Tahira, you mute the mic. Alisha, you also mute the mic. And Fatima was giving the answer. Then why are you speaking? Someone repeat that in international number system. That name of the places.
Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million.
Very good, excellent. So that everyone told yesterday. Name of the places according to Indian number system and international number system. You already know. Then also I'm showing again that you can revise it. This way I've shown you that what is the difference between these two. That also I have told you. Nayan Isaida, do you remember the difference between these two? Nayan,
Yes, ma'am.
do you remember the difference between Indian number system and international number system?
Yes, ma'am.
Then say.
मैम इंडियन में है ना 10 लाख के बाद 10,000 के बाद लाख है और इंटरनेशनल में 10,000 के बाद 100,000 है
हाँ, good.
और 10 लाख के बदले मिलियन है और करोड़ के बदले 10 मिलियन है
हाँ,
और
okay.
कॉमा पीछे से 3 डिजिट बाद हमारे में इंडिया में फिर 2 डिजिट बाद फिर वापस 2 डिजिट के बाद और इंटरनेशनल में 3 डिजिट के बाद फिर से 3 डिजिट के बाद.
Very good, excellent. Means all of you remember what we have learned yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
And every day you do the revision, huh? Everyone, that you will not forget what I am teaching you every day.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you tell all of you can don't comment. Please, ma'am.
Now I don't have time for that also, that I will scold for that. Let them chat, but you just pay attention here. When ma'am will see, ma'am will scold, because ma'am is also watching everything. So whenever ma'am will see, now ma'am will scold them or punish them. So now let's start. That we have revised what was Indian and international number system, name of the places, what was the difference that we have seen. Now we'll start new today. Means question one, rewrite using figure. That question one and two we had done, I think so. And in question three, Zoha is present. Kadri Zoha.
Yes, ma'am.
So question one was rewrite using figures. Yes. So the number was given in the words. Yes,
Yes.
in the words it was given. So tell me which is the number given here in the words in question three.
300 about. मैम ये इसमें नया आने का बोला ना कि म्यूट माइक.
Say everyone mute the mic. Only whoever's ID name or name I'm telling, that person will unmute the mic. So right now only Zuha's mic should be unmute, no one's.
There are about 1,013,913 words in the English language.
So where is the number? What is the number is given here? 10,000 is given, 10 million is given. What is given? Suppose if I'm telling you that you have 10 chocolates, so which number I have used?
10.
So in this sentence, where is the number?
1 million.
Say the loudly and the whole number. Only 1 million is not number, but whole number is given. See.
3 are about 1,13,913.
So number is given, that is 1 million 13,030.
1,13,933.
So this from here to here, the number is given. Okay. From 1,13,900
913.
number. Now that is number. Yes. And
Yes.
which is the first word?
1
1 million.
million.
And how you will write 1 million? Means that is how many digit number? 1 million.
Mm,
See, I am showing that. 1 million. That is how many digit number?
1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sure.
Sure.
Now.
7.
Okay. So you everyone compulsory learn this also, because Indian number system is little bit easy, but international number system, no, that is little bit hard. So for that you have to revise that again and again, again and again. So when from the day when I have sent these notes, you have to
Yes.
learn this regularly. You have to learn this, that how to write million, then which place comes first, name of the place is, then how you will write that, everything. So again I'm
Okay.
repeating. Good. Now again I'm repeating that a million. How you will write million? 130 and 30. This is 7 digit number. Million is 7 digit number. So in that question we will draw 7 dashes.
1,13,000.
Okay. So I have drawn how many dashes? 7. Why? Because million is how many digit number?
7.
Hmm.
First 7.
First tell
First
me name of the places.
ones, tens, 100,
Hmm.
1,000,
Hmm.
10,000, 100,000, million.
Good. Hmm. Now in the question, what is given? How many million? One, two, three. How many million?
1 million.
So at millions place, you have to write one. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose if 2 million is written in the question, then at millions place you have to write two.
Okay.
Then after 1 million, what is written?
13,000.
So where is thousands place? These three are thousands place, no?
Yes.
Yes. First is million.
After 1 0,
Hmm.
0, then 1 and 3, 13.
Hmm.
Then
So,
9. 9.
huh. So here as these three are thousands place, from the question before thousand what is written? 13. Before
13.
thousand, 13 is
13.
written. So you have to write here 13.
Okay.
Then after thousand what is written? 900.
100.
At hundreds place you have to write
9.
very good. 9. Then after 900 what is written in the question?
13.
13. So how you will write 13? At
1, 3,
tens place?
13. 1. At 10th
Huh?
place 1. At
Hmm.
1's place 3.
Very good. Okay, Zoha, read next question.
Insert commas and rewrite in word according to the international system.
Insert comma means you have to put commas because the number is given but comma is not given. So you have to put comma according to which system?
International system.
International. Yes, good. So according to international number system, we have to put a comma. That is first question. Then rewrite in words. Means the first question was given in the words, you have to write in figure. Now this is given in figure, you have to write in words.
Words.
Hmm. So Zoha, tell me this is how many digit number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 digit number. Where you will put comma? Between which two digits?
3 digits and comma.
After 3 digit, comma.
Comma.
Good. Now tell me the name of the places.
Ones,
Hmm.
tens,
Hmm.
hundred,
Hmm.
thousand,
Hmm.
10,000,
Hmm.
lakh.
Sure, that is
Lakh
Indian.
में 100,000.
Ah. So as in the question they have given no international number system. That's
Yes.
why you have to write which places India international number system places. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Now we are starting from left side. Left side first digit is 7, then 1, then 2. So these three are thousands places, 100,000, 10,000 and 1,000 places. Yes.
Yes.
These three are thousand places, 100,000 place, 10,000 place, and only 1,000 place. So these three are thousand place. So you have to read this together: 712,000. Okay.
Okay.
So tell me the spelling of that.
712,000.
So we have
Comma.
completed this. Now we have completed this. No, 712,000. Now these three digits are left. So how you will read this three digit?
801.
So tell me the spelling.
AIGHT 8 HUNDRED 100 ONE 1.
Very good. Now second question everyone will try in the rough book means whichever book is available.
Ma'am,
If page is available, write in that. What? Who is that?
ma'am, me. Ma'am,
Huh?
712,000 after comma.
First let me give the instruction. See, this everyone will try. As I have said, no, that whichever book is available, whichever book. Whichever book is available or rough page or whatever, you have to try second question. Means you have to write this 602,590. Then you have to put comma somewhere. Then you have to write name of the places. Which name of the places according to international number system? Don't forget. You have
Yes.
to write the name of the places according to international number system. Then you have to write in words. Or I'm giving 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, when I will explain, that time those who have doubt will pay attention.
मैम आपका ठीक से आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Sure, because I think so that the fluctuation like the voice.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, I can give the answer.
afterwards. But right now I have given 2 minutes. This 2 minutes have
Sir,
to compulsory solve. What?
I can give answer.
No, no. Right now no one will speak anything. Now, right now for 2 minutes, complete silence. Complete silence. No disturbance for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, when I will explain, that time you will pay attention and then you have to match your answer. And after matching the answer, you have to tell me in chat box that your answer is right or no. Okay. Now time starts 2 minutes. No disturbance and complete silence. After 2 minutes, I will start explaining. Okay, time your time starts now.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Very good.
My work is finished.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
my work is finished.
Very good, beta.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Good.
Ma'am, my work is finished.
Very 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 good. Okay, now last 30 seconds, then I will explain and I will solve this.
फर्स्ट आप पहले आप चैट बॉक्स में देखोगे ना किसका राइट है, फिर एक्सप्लेन करोगे ना.
हाँ.
ओके.
Okay, now I am explaining.
Cousin, sister.
So everyone will pay attention. Those who know or those who don't know. First I'm explaining, then you have to match your answer.
Okay.
So pay attention. Again, this is a 6-digit number, and here comma is not given. And in the question they have given that insert comma. So how you will insert comma? After 3 digit, you have to put comma according to international number system. Now you have to write the name of the places. So according to international number system, ones, 100, 1000, 10,000, and according to international system, after 10,000 there is 100,000. So these three are thousand places. Three of these are thousand places. So these we will write together. How we will write? Starting from left, 6, then this is 100,000 place, so 600, then this is 2, so 2 and then 1000, 600, 2000, then these three we will read together, 5, then it is which place? 100, so 590. Okay, so I'm writing this 600, 2000, and even remember the spellings also. 590. Now tell me whose answer is right.
Ma'am, mine is right.
Uh, okay, Zoha's answer is right. Then
Ma'am, Devjani Sakina
Ruhi's
answer is
answer is
right.
right. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Then Arfa's answer is right. Then Khadija's answer is right.
Ma'am,
Would
mine also is right. Ma'am,
uh,
my answer is
write
right.
in
Ma'am,
the
my
chat box
answer is
with
also
your
right.
name. Write
Ma'am, my answer is right.
in the chat.
Ma'am, my answer.
Write in the chat
मैम
box.
चेक तो करवा दी.
Okay, Lubna's answer is right. Jamani Fatima's answer is right. Then Rizvi Fatima's answer is right. Then Ruhin. Ruhin's answer is right. Then Tathir's answer is right. Then Sayada's answer is right. And other all start trying this too also. Solve this. For this also I'm giving total together. After 2 minutes I will write the answer of this.
मैम पूरा नहीं दिख रहा.
Now? Now?
नहीं मैम. हाँ बस अभी दिख रहा. पूरा दिखता है.
Okay, for these two question also 2 minutes. First step, put comma. Second step, write name of the places according to international number system. Then
मैम
read
इंटरनेशनल.
together. Yes? And see here it is not 6-digit number, huh? So million will also come. That also you remember. And 2 comma will be there. So here 2 commas will be there, not 1 comma, and million place will be also there. You can do this.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Very good.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Very good.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Very good.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Very good.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Very good.
मैम चैट बॉक्स में मेरा आंसर देख लो ना, राइट है या नहीं.
But then screen will
मैम
not
माय
be
वर्क
visible
इज
when I am
डन.
trying all that time. I have seen 1 minute 16,000. Okay.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Good.
मैम
Yes. What? Who was that? Okay. Now last 30 seconds.
मैम माय वर्क इज डन.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is done.
Very good.
Ma'am, my work is.
Very good, everyone. Okay, Tathir. Or Tathir, you unmute the mic.
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me this is how many digit number? It is how many digit number? And tell me. Count and tell me.
7.
7, yes. So where you will put comma now?
First 3
After 3 digit?
and first 3 and then 3.
Again after 3 digit.
Yes.
Now tell me name of the places.
1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000,
मैम आई कैन चैट बॉक्स
100,000,
में मैंने आंसर लिख डाले
1,
दोनों.
10,
100.
100,000, 10,000,
Hmm.
100,000,
Yes.
millions.
And millions. So everyone remember only name of the places. Okay, now Tathir, from which side we will start? Left side, yes? So left side, which is first digit?
Say answer. 1.
Right now only Tathir mic will be unmuted. Other all mic should be muted.
1.
So, 1. And 1 is at which place?
Millions place.
Billion place. So how we will write this? 1 billion. Okay? Tell me
Yes.
the spelling.
1 million.
Hmm. Then after
And
what is
0. 1.
0, then 1 and 6. So
6.
first you have to see 1 comma, then second comma. So
Yes.
between these two, how many digits are given between these two comma?
2 comma 3.
3 digits are given na, between these two comma. These
Yes.
3 digits. So how you will read these 3 digits?
We will.
This is how many? Only this many, yeah? These 3 digit. Okay, I think so. That's Tathir by mistake left or I don't know what. So Tahira, you give the answer. Malik Tahira. Tahira,
Yes, ma'am.
you give the answer between two commas. How many digits are given?
016.
016. So 016 means 16, no?
Yes.
And upside which place is given? This is at which place?
1000.
1000. So 16, then 1000. Okay. So tell me the spelling.
THOUSAND.
16,000. So this also we have finished. Now after this comma, how many digits are there?
800.
So how you will read this?
800.
But how you will read this? It is what?
800.
100 or 8? Okay, whose this answer is right? Just write in the chat box. Okay, Zoha's answer is right.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Only write in the chat box. Then Ruhin's answer is right. Very good, Ruhin and Zoha. Then Sarmali Aisha's answer is right. Mehreen's answer is right. Very
मैम
good.
आप थोड़ा मैम आप थोड़ा ऊंचा करो, मैंने चैट बॉक्स में मेरे दोनों आंसर लिखे हैं।
ओके।
मैम
हाँ हाँ,
आप
Tathir answer is right. Then Arfa's answer is right.
दोनों
Then
लिखे हैं मैंने, दोनों आंसर।
Sheikh Sana, her answer is right. Then Raja Sakina, then Khadija. Very good, everyone's answers are right.
You all are genius, मैम।
Yes, that I don't have to speak now. You already know that you are intelligent and genius. Okay, Lubna's answer is also right. Good. Very good, everyone. Then Alisha's answer is right. Very good.
Ma'am,
Okay,
my
now,
answer also right.
very good. Now we are solving the next.
Ma'am, my answer is not right.
Who is that? Iram Fatima. Whose ID is that?
It's Sakina.
Devjani Sakina. So you tell me, where should I put comma here in next question?
And my question one is incomplete.
But tell me
Exercise
now, where should we
one.
put comma in international number system? Where we are putting comma? You don't know where we are putting the commas?
Last three digit के बाद
Hmm. Then,
फिर 9 के बाद
sure, that is Indian system. International means after 3 digit, again after 3 digit. Okay?
okay. Can I say?
Tell me the name of the places.
Ones, tens, hundreds,
Huh?
thousand,
Hmm.
10,000,
Hmm.
100,000,
Yes.
million.
Hmm. So we will start from left side. Yes. So this is
Okay.
5
Yes.
and it is at which place?
Million.
Million. So 5 million. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after 5, which digit is there? See this comma and this
Three,
comma. Between these two comma, how many digits are there?
397,
397. And it is at which places? Tell me the name of the places of three of the digit.
100,000, 10,000, 1,000.
Very good. So 3 is at 100,000. So 300, then 97. That is at thousands place. So 397,000. Okay.
197,000. Okay, ma'am.
Then after that, how many digits are there after that second comma?
3 digits.
So read this also.
280.
280.
No, ma'am. 208 times 4.
84. Okay.
80.
That last two digit you have to read like how you are reading. 84, 89 that way. Okay. Tens and ones. Devjani, can I read third question?
Give the value of underline digit using the internal system.
International system. So you have to see that which digit is underlined. So in this first, which digit is underlined?
3.
3 is underlined and it is at which place? Tell me the name of the places. This is ones.
1, ones, tens, Hundreds, thousand, 10,000,
10,000. So 3 is at which place?
10,000.
So multiply 3 with 10,000. What you will get?
Multiply 10,000.
So you have to write 3. And then how many
3,
digits are there after this? After
4
3, how
digit.
many? So 40. Okay. 3 multiplied by 10,000 equals to 30,000. Okay. You can multiply 3 with 10,000, you will get 30,000, or you can put the zeros according
Ma'am,
to
I
the
can't
digit.
understand.
Who is that?
Ma'am, Sayeda.
See, this is which place? 3.
Uh,
That is at which place?
10,000.
So to find place value, what we are doing? 3 multiplied by 10,000. See, I am showing that old table. See this. You forgot this or you remember this?
Ma'am, I forgot.
See, these are the name of the places.
Yes.
And this is how you will find place value. The
Yes,
digit
ma'am.
which is at tens place, you have to multiply by 10. To find place value of 100, the digit at hundreds place, you have to multiply by 100. And in that number 3 was given at 10,000 place. 3 was given,
Yes.
no? 3.
Yes.
3 10,000. So what will be the answer? 3 multiplied by 10,000, Sayeda.
6,
मैम हम लोग को
30,000.
See, in between no one will speak. Right now Sayeda is giving the answer. 30,000. Okay? So that way you will
Yes.
find the place value by multiplying that. Or
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can put the zeros also. That here, see in that question, how many digits were given after 3?
4.
So you have to put 4 zeros after 3. Okay, that is the place value. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So here, which is underlined? Say that which digit is underlined in this number?
Lakh.
Which digit is underlined?
6.
6. And after 6, how many digits are given?
6.
So that many zero. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And put the comma also.
Zainab,
Huh?
Zainab ma'am, તમે જે પેન્સિલથી રાઈટ કરો છો ને એ
Huh?
એકદમ આછું આવે છે.
Huh?
થોડુંક એને ડાર્ક કરશો પ્લીઝ.
Huh?
ઓકે મેમ, થેન્ક યુ.
So Sayeda, see this.
Yes, ma'am.
6 is underlined. Yes.
Yes.
And it is at which place? Tell me the name of the places.
Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh,
And this is international system. See.
100,000,
Huh?
100,000, million,
So 6 is at which place? Millions place.
millions.
And when you will multiply 6 with 1 million, you will get 6 million. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And the another shortcut is what? That you have to write 6 and then you have to count that how many digits are given and that many zero you have to put. Two methods are there. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Very good.
Yes.
Now say that, tell me which digit is underlined here in third.
1,
1 is underlined. And it is at which place? The account from here. 1.
ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000.
100,000. So when you will multiply this with 100,000, you will get 100,000. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And another shortcut is that write 1, that how many zeros are given, that you have to put. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So 1, then after how many digits are given?
5.
5. So 5 0 you have to put. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then where you will put comma?
After 3 digit,
Good.
Then 2 digit after.
This is international. See.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is international only. That's why I have taught you that international system. Okay. Every
Yes.
time now read the question carefully that which system
Ma'am.
they are saying. Yes, who is that? Alicia.
मैम मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया.
But
Third
who?
one.
Who is saying? Alvani Kulsum.
Yes.
See which digit is underlined.
1.
1 is underlined. So we have to write 1. And then after 1, how many digits are given?
5.
Count. How many?
5.
5. So 50 you have to put. Okay.
Okay.
And then where you will put comma, Kulsum?
2 0 के बाद.
कितने 0?
2 0 के बाद.
No, after 30. This is international system. So after 3 digit you have to put comma. Okay. Don't forget that comma and all. Okay. You see, in the starting of today's lecture also, I made you revise something. Yes, you did the revision, no, of that Indian and international system.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
See, again I'm showing who is that. One by one, and please tell me the name also. Tahira, what?
सब लोग मैच चल कर रहा है. मैम.
Now that I cannot take care. I can only teach.
अपने फोटो दे.
So Tahira, wait. Everyone first mute the mic. Compulsory. And Tahira, now tell me what is your question?
मैं अपना क्वेश्चन 1 करवा दिया.
Yes.
एक्सरसाइज 1C.
एक्सरसाइज 1C. Now Alvani Kulsum, pay attention here.
फोटो आपने व्हाट्सएप में भेजे थे.
Today I will send again exercise 1C. Okay, till these notes I have sent that time. Exercise 1C from question 1 I will send today.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Alvani Kulsum, now see here.
Yes, ma'am.
See where is the comma? In international system, after 3 digit there is comma. Again after 3 digit there is comma. And in Indian, after 3 digit there is comma, and after 2 digit there is comma. Okay? So this is 2 digit, and here 3 digit. Okay?
Okay.
So again you have to remember this name of the places, and you have to revise this. Okay, today. Anyhow you have to learn this. Because without learning the name of the place, maybe you will not able to do next. Okay, so compulsory everyone, not Kulsum but everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now this is last question. Which digit is underlined, Kulsum?
वो ठीक से नहीं बताई दे रहा.
Now which digit is underlined? 1 is underlined. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And it after you have to write 1. Then after 1, how many digits are given?
5.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5.
50 you have to put. Okay. Then where you will put comma?
एक digit के बाद.
Okay, so now today we are finishing this much. Homework will be that you have to copy this. Only you have to copy this. I will send this and you have to copy. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.
Same to you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. मैम मैक्स की बुक चेंज हुई है.
Have a nice day.
मैक्स की बुक चेंज हुई है.
It's Oxford now this year.
Bye, ma'am.
Standard.